Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase energy efficiency with Google Cloud step by step clearly.
Begin by assessing your current energy consumption.
Gather data on your energy usage across various departments.
Identify areas with high energy consumption and inefficiencies. Set clear energy efficiency goals for your organization. Create a Google Cloud account if you haven't done so already. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console dashboard.
Explore the BigQuery service to manage and analyze your energy data.
Upload your collected energy usage data to BigQuery. Use SQL queries to analyze patterns and identify inefficiencies. Implement Google Cloud Machine Learning to predict energy usage trends. Leverage AutoML to create tailored energy efficiency models. Integrate the results into your operations for immediate impact.
Utilize Google Cloud's data stream to monitor real-time energy consumption.
Set up alerts for unusual spikes in energy usage.
Use Google Cloud Pub/Sub to automate notifications for team members.
Create dashboards using Google Data Studio to visualize your energy data.
Share insights and reports with relevant stakeholders regularly. Continuously review and adapt your energy efficiency strategies based on data insights.
Consider implementing Google Cloud IoT solutions for smarter energy management.
Engage your team in energy-saving initiatives and train them on new technologies.
Regularly revisit your energy efficiency goals and progress for ongoing improvement.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.